Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to install Hidden Eye in Kali Linux. Now let's get started. I will leave the link in the description below. Just we have to go to the link, click this, and we have to copy this. Now terminal, and we should type cd desktop. Now we have to type git clone. Now here is the link, and just we have to copy this. Again we have to go to our terminal and we have to paste it. As you can see it is just cloning into Hidden Eye. It may take some time for the first time. As you can see it is showing us done. Now let's type ls. We can see now here Hidden Eye. Now we'll type cd now we'll type Hidden Eye. Now we have to type ls. Now we have to install requirements.txt. Now so we have to write pip3 install -r requirements.txt, and we have to type enter. It may take some time. As you can see it is getting downloaded successfully. As you can see it is install. Now we have to type clear. So as I said, when this last so I'm saying when this last command does not work, so first we have to install this apt-get install python 3 -pip. So this is the way to install python 3 if the last format is not working. Now we have to type python 3 hiddeneye.py. So it is asking here permission. Great power comes with great responsibility. So here we have to type. So I will do one thing. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it. Yeah. As you can see, our Hidden Eye tool is working successfully. So that's all for now guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment below.